circle is, so the sphere. Okay, so this circle is in a sphere. Okay, so this point is the center. Understand? The center means ఒక స్పియర్ కట్ చేయక ముందు మిడిల్ ఉండే ఒక సెంటర్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ సెంటర్ ని ఏమంటామంటే సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ టేకింగ్ ఏ సర్కిల్, సో దిస్ ఆర్ ద సర్కిల్. Okay, so this the midpoint, so these are midpoint of the center, so these are diameter, so these are diameter of the radius, these are the radius. So this point is called the center of curvature. Okay, now this point is called the center of the curvature. So this the center of the curvature. Understand? So next one, the radius of the curvature. The radius of curvature means it is the distance between the center of curvature and the pole. So this distance, the center of the curvature and the pole, so this distance is called the radius of curvature. Okay, the center, you have seen the figure, the circle. So this is the center of the origin. Okay, so this diameter of the radius, so this diameter of the radius. So this is called the radius of the curvature. Okay, understand? So this is called the radius of curvature. The center of curvature and pole is called the radius of curvature. Understand? So ఈ సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్ కి ఈ పోల్ కి మధ్యలో ఉండే డిస్టెన్స్ ఏమంటాం అంటే రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్. ఇదేమో సెంటర్, ఇదేమో మనకు సెంటర్. సో దిస్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ద సెంటర్, సో దిస్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ద పోల్. ఓకే నా? సో దిస్ సెంటర్ అండ్ దిస్ ఆర్ పోల్. సో దిస్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ ద రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ కర్వేచర్. Understand? It is denoted by the capital R. Okay, now the radius of curvature, understand? The radius of the curvature, understand? Center of the curvature, understand? The pole and appears the principal axis. Understand? Any doubts? The very important one. The optics, the chapter is the most important, the mirrors. Okay, so these chapters are very important, the 10th or intermediate. So these questions, the 8 marks question in the second year, not in the first year, the second year. The physics is the second year, the most important question, the 8 marks. Okay, so this the radius of the curvature. So what is the principal focus? What is the principal focus? What is the principal focus? The principal focus means it is the imaginary line. It is the inner line. So this is the parallel to the reflected image. The image is the intersection of a point. The intersection of a point. So that is called the principal focus. Okay, na? So it is the parallel line, the incident ray. Okay, these are the incident ray. So this incident ray, the reflection, it is the reflected to meet to the concave mirror to the principal axis. The principal axis, the reflected point is called the focus. The focus. ఈ ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే లైట్ అనేది రిఫ్లెక్షన్ అయి ఈ ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ కి మీట్ అయ్యే ఈ ప్లేస్ ని ఏమంటామంటే ఫోకస్ అని అంటాం. ఏమంటానా? ఫోకస్. ఎనీ డౌట్స్? ఓకేనా? అండర్స్టాండ్ ద ఫోకస్. సో నెక్స్ట్ the principal, the focus completed. Next the focal length belongs to one. The focal length means the focus and the pole, this distance is called the focal length. Okay, Nana? So these are the focal length. So this focal length, these are the pole. So this distance is called the focal length. It is denoted by the small f. Okay, the small f. The focal length and pole. This distance is called the focal, and the center of curvature and the pole. This distance is called the radius of curvature. Yes, Samana? Any doubts? Understanding? Okay. So the distance is called the focal length. This distance is called the radius of curvature. Okay. So the parallel incident ray to the reflected to the parallel lines, the intersection of a point is called the focus. Okay. It is denoted by the capital M. Okay. So the center of point, middle point on mirror is called the pole. The semicircle of in a mirror is called the appearance. Okay. So those are the relations between the spherical mirror. This comes of the relations between the spherical mirror. Any doubt, Nana? Those are any doubts? The appearance and pole, the principal axis, center of curvature, radius of curvature, the principal focus and the focal length. Okay, so all of you write the definitions and the figure. Okay.